The WH-1000XM5 wireless active noise cancelling over-ear headphones are a big deal, especially when you consider the headphones they replace. The WH-1000XM4 were widely regarded as the best wireless headphones you could buy. So it's a relief, albeit of the predictable variety, to report the WH-1000XM5 pick up where the XM4 left off. Excellent sound quality in every respect, improved noise cancellation, and a very credible eco proposition make them every bit as compelling a set of cans as the model they replace. It's not exclusively good news, though. The price at which the XM5 launched is eye-widening, even if our experience of Sony headphones makes us believe the asking price will come down soon. And if you are expecting a bit of playing for your outlay, you will be disappointed. The WH-1000XM5, particularly in the ecru finish of our review sample, are bland and unremarkable lookers. Still, it's to forget what they look like when you are wearing them, and easier still when you are listening. The Sony XM5 wireless active noise cancelling over-ear headphones are on sale at the end of this month. They are initially priced $399 and are available to pre-order through Sony's website, Amazon, and Best Buy. This is without doubt at the upper end of the mainstream over-ear headphone market, is edging towards the luxury lifestyle area where the likes of Bang and Olufsen, Apple, and Montblanc hang out. Certainly, the XM5's most obvious competitors, from the likes of Bose and Sennheiser, are all appreciably cheaper. You can also check out how they stack up against the AirPods Max. It seems unlikely Sony will maintain the price for all that long, though each previous 1000X model has launched with a top-end price tag attached, and each previous 1000X model has become considerably more affordable in fairly short order. So unless you enjoy being the earliest of adopters, it's certainly worth hanging back a while to see what discounts come to light. You might also be torn when it comes to the XM5's predecessor, because the XM4 is still available and for at least $50 buck less. Sony has had a bit of rethink where the design of WH-1000XM5 is concerned. Certainly, they are a departure from the outgoing WH-1000XM4, or at least as much of a departure as is possible where wireless over-ear headphones are connected. There's something just slightly wealthy about the way the XM5 look. They are more streamlined shape than their predecessor, with an aerodynamic design that improves the flow of air across the headphone frame to reduce wind noise. Branding is minimal, just a little Sony logo on each hinge, and the ear cups and headband are virtually featureless and entirely anonymous. The WH-1000XM5 are available in black or ecru and are mostly made from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Sony is very keen on ABS just now. It's a very useful material in acoustic terms, and given that it's mostly made from recycled plastic and can be recycled again at the end of its life, its eco credentials are impeccable. The whole eco-friendly aspect of the WH-1000XM5 should be applauded, and even carries over to the retail packaging box. The unbleached, unprinted, and wholly recyclable packaging is made from original blended material and is guaranteed to use no plastic whatsoever. The WH-1000XM5 are among the lighter premium wireless over-ear headphones around, and thanks to a combination of careful hanger design, soft artificial leather, and a smattering of memory foam in the ear cup and the central portion of the inside of the headband, there's no more burdensome to wear than the trim weight implies. The ear cups are of sensible dimensions, so unless your ears are extravagantly large, they should fit nicely. Unlike quite a few alternative designs, the Sony won't swamp those among us with smaller heads either. But while they are unarguably comfortable, the composition of materials in the rear parts seems to return your body heat with interest rather quicker than some rival designs. You have numerous options here, and while there's good news, the better news is that they all work really well. The capacitive touch surface on the right ear caps deals with the obvious stuff in a consistent and reliable manner. Here you can deal with play, pause, volume, up, down, skip forward and backwards, and answer and reject calls with next to no effort. The left ear cup, meanwhile, has a physical button that allows you to cycle through your noise cancelling options. The level of ambient sound you'd like to hear can be specified in the headphones control app, and that's far from the only facility the app incorporates. Here's where you can adjust EQ settings, allow active noise cancelling to adjust to your specific circumstances or your environment, set up the XM5 for use with Sony's 360 reality audio, spatial sound algorithm, and allow the headphones to wirelessly connect to two devices simultaneously. It's stable, useful, and fully featured and as such has the better of virtually any alternative I have encountered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.